We are pleased to show you the 2026 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, LED headlights. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.